Thank you to the Handbell Choir. That song is called As a Deer, and I'd like to read to you the lyrics. As the deer pants for the water, so my soul longs after you. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship you. You alone are my strength, my shield. To you alone may my spirit yield. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship you. What a perfect prelude, and we thank you. Welcome to worship with Denville Community Church, the Church of the Open Door. This church invites you to be inspired to make a positive impact on the world as followers of Jesus Christ, not only through worship, but also small groups and missions, generosity, and professing your faith. I'm Pastor Heather, and my pronouns are she, her, hers. I say that as an invitation to authenticity with the intent to be respectful and compassionate.